Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make strawberry jam. Strawberry jam is easy to make, and I'm gonna go ahead put in the pot right now. Let's go. Okay, this pot right here is big enough to make strawberry jam, so let's get into it. Come on, I cannot eat. Just make the jam. Okay, it's already in. Okay, this is brown sugar. I use brown sugar. I'm not gonna using white sugar. Just put in here 5 cups first. See what happened. And I'm gonna add the water. Less than quarter of a gallon. So I'm gonna put it on. Okay, and scoop it down. Turn the power up, power on, and let it cook. Okay, let it cook down. You can make the sauce too, strawberry sauce, but I'm gonna make jam to dipping the bread or like a sandwich. So okay, let me cook for until the melting. That I show you next step. Okay. All right, guys. Okay, cover up. Turn the fan on. Alright, come back to see another 15 minutes. Okay everyone, come to take a look. Alright. Strawberry jam. Simmer ก่อนแซ่บๆอร่อย Okay everyone, okay, it's done. So let it cool down, turn it off. Let it cool down for a minute. So let me cool down. Okay, alright.
100% strawberries.
See that?
100% strawberries.
Okay. Alright, go ahead, put in the cup.
Strawberry soup.
Strawberry soup. Strawberry soup, you can say that's so good.
That's what we call it. I call it strawberry soup. Yeah, you ain't never had no strawberry soup before. It's right here, man. It's so good.
If it going down, it be the jam. I don't want to be the jam. Just be like that's good.
All right, enjoy.
Put the spoon in there. Just turn this like this. Okay. See that strawberry? Cook it down.
Fresh blood
Cheers.
from a baby lamb.
Baby lamb. Cheers, guys. It's so good. Set line. Delicious. Set. You want some more? Finish it up. Okay, here. Finish it up. Got two. Right here. Thank you everyone for watching, and I see you next video.